Hello and welcome to this episode of Equity Sahi Hai. Today we put the spotlight on international funds, and joining me is Deepak Shenoy, a well-known stock market expert who's also the founder and CEO at Capital Mind. Thanks very much, Deepak. A pleasure talking to you. My first question to you, we are reading and hearing a lot about international funds these days. Why are they so much in focus right now?
Thanks, Vivek, firstly, and for having me on the show. International funds have been the vogue recently only because I think they have superior returns, and those returns have been magnified because the local domestic stocks have been taking a beating, at least in the near term, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year kind of periods. We're seeing even foreign index funds take a very big presence in the market today because we've got about a 40-45% return on a 1 year basis in these stocks compared to a negative 5-7% on the Nifty. I'm speaking around June 20th, June 18th. So this is one of the reasons why I think international funds are getting focused. There's another important reason because a lot of the technologies we use, a lot of the software we use, the hardware we use Apple, we use Android, we use Facebook, we use WhatsApp. All of these products and the product we're talking on, Zoom, all of these companies are listed in the US. The revenues they make are listed elsewhere. So are to be found elsewhere. So if you want to look at the old adage, when they used to say, if you use a Hindustan Unilever soap or a detergent, why don't you buy the Hindustan Unilever stock as well? You use a soap from Godrej, buy the Godrej consumer stock as well. So these are the kinds of examples of saying, listen, buy what you use because part of what you use is revenue to the company, it's profit to the company. You can participate in those profits. If a lot of the products used today are internationally listed, you should have an international focus on your investing as well, because that's what's going to give you some part of the profits of these products as well. So I think that is another second reason. Also because a lot of the innovative tech products in India are not listed. A lot meaning you're talking the likes of Flipkart, for instance, which is now owned by Walmart, which is listed in the US. The likes of Amazon, which we use on a regular basis. We use even the Indian companies, Swiggy, Zomato. They're not listed in India or maybe only quasi-listed. So there is actually no way to participate in some of the new age companies in India. So you use this mechanism to invest in places where these companies, the new tech companies, are listed. So I think that is a good reason why international funds are taking prominence today.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.